Look. So fast.
12 $.
Wow,
yeah.
Paris.
So with this, you just scan it over the ATM. So just just push it in, bring it back out, and just press cash on the screen, and it'll drop down the cash for you.
Paris, there's another. There's a coin there. Wow. It's the goodies from Japan. It's an Hermes scarf. I really like this one, guys. Meron tayong agenda PM. Ganda pa ng ano niya, rank A pa to, guys. Tingnan niyo. Super ganda nito. Dior! Ayan. So, this one, ano siya? Charm. Bag charm. Napakamahal nito. Bagay lang din naman sa kanya yung kanyang presyo, guys. Kasi, napaka-cute. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Nakita nila yung lubot lang. Today is Tuesday. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa office. So, first day niya bumalik sa office since Friday. Kasi nga, mahal na araw. So, wala ring work yesterday. And, pinapakain ko lang. Hello, princess. Pinapakain ko lang ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Her lunch. And we are going out kasi meron tayong gagawin. First, pupunta tayo ng post office, guys, kasi during mahal na araw time ay meron tayong nabenta online and we're going to post all of them today. Hello, princess. Na naman kay bangs lang, oy. Beautiful mo naman, baby girl, oy. What are you eating? Can you show tita and tito what you're eating? What are you eating? This one. What's this one? Apple. Apple. So, hindi ko na mapapakita yung bag. Ay, naipakita ko to sa isang vlog ko, guys. Yung nilinisan ko siya. Tapos, pinicturean ko siya para ma-post online. So, nabenta ko na siya. Ayan, hindi ko na palabas, guys. Kasi ano na siya ba? Naka-wrap na siya. And I also sold one shoes. Hang on, sweetie. We'll show mama. Ayan. So, the Christian Louboutin wedge. Kita ko sa inyo. Ito ang kanyang mukha.
I really want to have the box.
The box. Ay, wait. Mama's selling it. Na, oy, ay, sold na pala ito. Hang on lang.
I love the shoes.
Yeah, I know. Do you like it? Ayan. Ayan yung wedge. So, yan yung ating i-post today. Actually, there's a couple of scarves as well. And denim short. So, yung Levi's na denim short, guys. Kasi, gamit ko to siya. Pero malaki siya sa akin eh. Kaya, ano ko na lang. Nalanta ko na lang. Aww, princess. Gotta finish your food na ko. Come on, so we can go. Because we have lots of things to do. Itong batang ito ay kailangan talagang i-push. Stand up, lay down. When you eat, come on. See, tita? She's really good at eating now. Yummy. Uy. Careful. Ay, tagak lang. Come on, nearly finished now. And then we have these scarves, the Burberry scarves. Ayan, yeah, it's already sold na. Dalawa. So, yeah. Now, we're selling it. It's sold na. So, good luck sa atin, guys. Alam niyo naman, pinuping ako eh. Pinuha ko, mataga ka lang. Come here. Alam niyo naman, pag pupunta tayo ng post office, marami tayong ipopost. Ay!
Mama!
Diyos ko, Lord! Ang ating dalawang, anghel ay dito guys, like, habang nagsusulat ako ng mga pangalan sa box, ito namang dalawa ay, kailangan kong ikipan ay baka lumabas. So, meron tayong ilang packs ito guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, punta kami ng Canon na Australia first. And since we're there, dadalhin ko na rin to. So, last month, binili to ni Daddy Mike for baby Celine. For some reason, it's size 5, but it's still tight for Celine. So, hindi pa namin tinanggal yung kanyang tags. Anyan. So, isasauli namin, return or, siguro, exchange ba? Ng mas malaki. Kasi, sayang man, hindi to siya masusuot. Less than a month pa naman to binili. Hindi lang talaga na anuhan ng time ba na ibalik. So, ayan. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakapagbihis na. Ayan, oh. Ready to go na. Ang ate Paris na lang pagkatapos itong kumain ay. Bihisan ko na to. Tapos, alis na kami. Sabi, Lolo! What's the sound of the train? What's the sound of a train? No, Mama. Yesterday, she surprised me. Nanonood kami ng yung sa TV ba? Tapos may train. Sabi pa niya ganyan. Choo! Choo!
You guys are choo! Choo!
Choo! Choo! Drink water? Water, man.
Our water.
Hang on. Hold the apple to giving it to you. Thank you. Drink water.
I like it.
I was still in the back. Water?
I want water.
I'm nearly finished now. You sit down here, baby girl, ha? Your mama's gonna finish. Baby Ate Paris.
A few moments later.
Ganyan na nangyayari, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo silang dalawa. Kanina maraming tao. Ngayon, nasend ko na yung dalawa. Tapos itong tatlo, kasi kailangan kong bumili ng okay, so, ng satchel. Ayan. So, ito going to Queensland. This one is going to Victoria. And this one is going to South Australia. O, diba? Lahat na ng state ng, Australia. Napadala na ni mami niya. So, na yan. Ito-drop ko lang yan dyan. And then we'll go. Shh. Tignan niyo, malaroan nilabas na. My goodness gracious. We're done at the post office. It's now 2:53 in the afternoon. And what a job. Alam niyo ba guys, just to keep them still. Ate Paris ay nakakausap mo na, so nasasabihan mo na siya na ganito, ganyan. Kipa na yung Celine, pero Celine talaga guys, hindi mo pa siya nakakausap. Maldita talaga tong batang ito eh. Bless you! Ayan. So, dito na kami balik na sa sasakyan. Na-post na lahat. So, hintay na naman tayo na magka-benta tayo ulit. And the two are just writing. Nak, show lang!
I got my homework.
Hindi nyo makikita si Baby Celine. I
got my homework with me. It's my homework.
Yeah. Sulat-sulat pa mo. O, yung isa, sulat-sulat pa mo.
Oh,
what is it you're writing?
That is,
yeah.
That is actually my other homework.
Yeah, but the Paris let Celine borrow, yeah? Good girl, Ate. You're such a good girl.
I let Mama.
Mama! Aw, good job, Lini. Punta tayo ngayon ng bakery. We'll see if they have the shockwave for us. And then, I'm planning to go to anong tawag dito eh? Kung saan i-return yung mga plastic bottles. So, diba, last vlog natin, pinakita ko sa inyo na inaipon ko yung mga plastic bottles, mga water bottles sa bahay kasi, pwede yun siyang i-recycle and then you get 10 cents per bottle. And since inainom namin tubig is bottled water, sobrang dami namin guys. And then sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not, instead of itapon ba, i-return sa mga, may mga return it, ang tawag dyan sa mga ganyan, basta, you get, first time ko rin guys, so I don't know how it works. Nag-search lang ako sa Google kung saan yung address pwede namin dalhin yun. And it says like there's one just, I think 18 minutes from here. So sabi ko, yeah, we'll take the kids for a ride, for a drive. Yes, ano?
Oh my gosh, it's too long. It's too long. I used to make it long.
Dami na naming mga plastic bottles dyan sa likuran guys, nilagay ko sa aming boat. So we'll see. Kung 10, may ano ka na? May... What? 10 cents? Tapos 10. $1 ba yun guys? 10 cents. Tapos 10. Ewan ko lang, hindi na mag-work ang aking math. But apart from that guys, nakatulong ka rin sa environment, sa Mother Earth. And we'll go pick up Daddy Mike later sa ferry station pagkatapos. So, hindi na kami uuwi. Diretso-diretso na yung lakad namin. And we'll just come home together. Oh my Lord.
That Lord is, oh my nose.
Oh, my nose today.
Did you thought it was the Lord?
Yeah, I thought it was the Lord.
Huh?
I thought it was the Lord. There's also a song lang. Oh my Lord. Na 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 na.
What?
There's also a song like that, but it's on my Lord. So dito na kami. Yes, they're open.
It's okay. Oh my Lord.
Yep, they're open.
I'm okay. I'm just moving.
Alright, we're here.
You can do it online. I mean, because that school one is so close. I mean, it's only 5 kilometres away. Although Kedron's not that far, is it?
I actually
It's
not sure. I
about
haven't been
9.
there.
So Kedron's about 9. Okay, now it's open till 5 o'clock today. So I don't know if you've missed it today. What time is it there now? 4:45.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4:45 there now. So you probably won't make it in time today. But if you remember, return at depot 46. Millway Street. Millway Street in Kedron. 46, and it's open from 7:30 till 5.
Yep.
And if you go down there, you can actually get them bottles in there and cans, and you walk away with the cash. All right?
Cool. Sounds good. Yan yung nangyayari kapag hindi ka nag-research bago ka pumunta dito. So, what happened is, nandito na kami ngayon sa school kung saan i-drop. But the one that I have here is actually a pod. So, you need an account bago mo, bago mo ilagay ang iyong mga plastic bottles and cans. Kailangan mo ng yung scheme ID mo daw na ilagay mo sa plastic bago mo i-drop doon. However, yes lang.
Is the money gonna connect to your car?
Not yet. Yeah, this one lang, but we don't have an account. So, sabi niya, we have an option. We can go to the one that's further. Pero, yeah, malayo siya guys. But then that one, you don't need an account or any ID or whatever. Ilagay mo lang yung mga cans mo and then you can get like cash refund. So, that's what we wanted. Akala ko yun yung dito guys. Hindi pala. Maling akala guys. Maling akala. So, apparently they close up 5, so it's now 3:50, and it's another probably, oh god, I don't know, maybe another 15 minutes drive. So I don't know if that's a good idea. We'll just do it next time maybe.
What?
It says getting late naman nak. We'll search the address and see how far. So 46 Millway Street, Kedron. That's alright. Actually, it's only 4 Okay, so it's only 12 minutes lang. Shall we go? 12. Should be alright. Punta na lang kami. Oy, since nandito na kami. Kasi babalik-balik na naman kami.
You are on the fastest route despite some traffic. You will arrive at 4 p.m.
We'll keep moving? Yes? Another 12 minutes. Diyan na pala guys. Nandito na kami. Return it. Ngayong nandito na kami guys. Eh, tingnan nyo naman ang dalawa. Mga bes. Anong oras na ba? 4:07. Close sila ng 5. I'm just gonna let them sleep. Naglaway na sa pagising. Ito yung mga plastics namin. Tapos dito. Ang dami. It's our first time doing it, so...
Sorry?
It's our first time doing it.
Oh, good.
Like,
All good. No, you've done really well.
we went to like Windsor, and so like, oh, you don't have scheme ID, you have to go to Kedron. So, okay. Yeah, because it's the only, the closest one to us that you just... Yes. Yeah. Huh?
Shiny.
Shiny. Thank you so much.
So cash is okay?
Yes, perfect. Thank you. That's nice. Oh. Look. So fast. It's like when you go crazy.
The box, that's the boxy one.
Yes.
That's the boxes.
Yes. Paris will have her money.
Missed a lot, didn't I? $12.
Wow,
Wow.
Paris!
So with this, you
Yep.
just scan it over the ATM. So
Just there?
Yep.
Yep.
Just push it in, bring it back out, and just press cash on the screen,
Oh.
and I'll drop down cash for you.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon. Sige lang. Wow, look at $12. You do it? Push here. Push. Oh gosh. Paris. Oh my goodness. Lift it. That's your receipt. Open it and get your money. Paris. There's another. There's a coin there. Whoa. What can you say about it? Good? Whoa, money.
It's very shiny.
Good job. Come on, let's go. So with that money, so we can buy water na naman. Kasi alam niyo ba, mga $10 na yung 24 bottles na water. So, well done. Wow. Ang isa ay tulog na tulog. Ate Paris got $12 already. Yay!
That's $10.
No, that's 10 and that's 2. So it's 12. $12 altogether. Wow. So what can you say? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah, so when you see like
Bottles.
you keep them, okay?
Yeah, so
When you drink outside, bring them home. Okay?
yeah, so we can actually make something whenever we like.
Yeah. So now, so if you have like a toy that you like, you know, if you want the slime or the dough, then you have your own money now. Okay? Well done. Or you can save it. Yeah.
But how am I gonna get water?
Yeah, if she wants water. Yes. Yeah, we can buy more water actually with that money. Well done, Paris. Now you can go back to sleep. I woke her up kasi kanina eh.
I'm gonna save this one because I'm gonna use this for slime.
Yeah.
I mean for my glitter.
Glitter, yeah.
For tomorrow.
We're going tomorrow. That's right. High five.
Do you know which one? Do you know which one's my favorite one? This one or this one? See?
Oh no! So cute. Agree. Here you go. All right, let's go drive now. We're at the park now, guys. Ayan, kakalabas lang namin. So dito namin hihintayin si Daddy Mike. Ating baby Celine ay nandyan. Oh, kaga-kaga pa kasi ginising namin. And it's a bit cold outside now. It's going to winter now and sobrang ginaw na sa ano. Mom! What's going on?
Oh, and I smell so good.
Ayan, giniginaw pa ang ating baby Celine. Ay, shush! Gusto niya mag-swing. Kaya umalis na yung bata. Do you wanna go swing? So, it's nearly 5:30 pala. Walang masyadong mga kids dito.
Hi, guys! I got the person today. I'm gonna shake it right now. So it smells very good.
Which you did not see kakimog ko. Yes, princess. Which one? The small one or the big one?
It's not potion. It is look.
Yes.
Look, watch.
Okay, you can go that one. Nak, Ate can go on that one and you can go on this one. What do you think?
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer, is it?
Yeah. Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
This one, okay. Come. Celine, let the parrot slide down first. Then it's your turn. Come on, you take turns.
Okay, Celine.
Hang on, Ate. Nice okay, Ate. You went there first. You can do it first. There you go. She's giving way. Good girl, sweetie. Yes. See, Ate Paris will slide down, and then your turn. Woo! Good job. See, that's good sharing. Your turn now, Celine. Are you okay? Are you alright? Princess.
Mom.
Yes. Ate. Come have a look at Celine when she slides down. Sige na, nak. We'll show Ate Paris. No? Okay, you go the other way around. You go the other way. See, look at the Paris.
Okay, Celine.
Sig
Not that far, so you can go.
sila nag-giveaway na lang sila. Sasagusa.
Wait, it's okay. You can come on.
Ayo. I don't think she can, honey. She slides down. You have to go the other way, anak. It's very slippery. Just get home.
You know, Celine, when she sees animals, she like runs straight up to them.
Yes. Unlike Paris. Hi, Lang. Is it Daddy?
I said, you're scared of animals. I see when I had the cat behind the car, you're like this. You saw you did, right? Look.
No, I didn't see it.
I didn't see it. By just the fact that I said it, you were already like running.
Oh, got my delivery. Did you give her one?
No, I didn't give her one. I gave her like a bit.
Really? No, di pa kayo. Show me what Daddy gave you.
Celine dropped that book so quickly.
When she saw it?
She's right?
Mine.
Yes.
Mama, Celine scribbled on the book.
Did she?
Mummy?
I love your hair, Daddy.
Okay.
But it's okay because
That is
we can actually rip the paper off.
Ito yung natanggap natin, guys. May isang malaki doon sa baba. Papalagay ko yun kay Daddy Mike sa garage kasi sobrang, doon ko na yun i-open. So this one will open. Okay. Buti na lang, guys, no? Pinasok nila ba? Kasi hindi yan safe dyan. Buti talaga. Very important talaga magkaroon ka ng very good neighbor ba? Kung wala ako dito, Binitbit na ng iba, di ba? Sila, pinasok nila. Oh, okay. Punong-puno ite, ah. Ah, it's the goodies from Japan. Yeah. First one is this.
Mama, Dada.
Mama, Dada. Uy, uy, uy. Is that how you dance?
Jumping.
Jumping. So this is the scarf. It's an Hermes scarf. Ganito siya. Ganito pala eh. Ganda ng print niya. Hermes Paris. Spring. Ito ay mga stock namin niyo, guys. Very nice. Oh, kasi meron siyang lalagyan. Wala naman sigurong mag-ano niya. Gagamit ng lalagyan nito. But, you know, it's nice to have something like this. Mama! Dada! Ano ba ito, oy? Mahirap man, eh. Then, the next one is another scarf. Sure, my love. This is the Gucci. I really like this one, guys. Meron pa siyang tag.
Can't have my Gucci on.
I could have my Gucci on. Very nice naman ito, eh. Sobrang nice niya. Mga silk pala to siya, guys. So, alam niyo na, ang gagawin ni Mami sunod. Clean. Take photos. First. I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. Meron tayong agenda PM. Ganda pa ng niya, rank A pa to, guys. Oh. Wala pa siyang tarnish. Wala siyang bakbak whatsoever. You want this, Daddy?
No.
Agenda cover.
Huh?
Agenda cover.
What?
This one is super cute. Ito siya, pang personal ko to siya, guys. Kasi, meron siyang flow, but, for me, nakitan ako ba? Tapos, maganda yung kanyang, tingnan niyo. Super ganda nito. This is Salvatore Ferragamo. Ayan. Sobrang liit niya, di ba? Sobrang liit niya. Ito, maganda. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang leather, guys. Parang, talaga siya? Parang alligator na alligator siya ba? Tapos, very gold pa ang kanyang hardware. So, this is the chain. Hala, sobrang cute na. Walang ka-tarnish. Tingnan niyo, oh. Very, masasangla, guys. Masasangla. Yung flow nito ay, yung sa loob, normally, di ba, meron siyang, parang leather siya sa loob. Parang nilinisan na siya, guys. Ayan, parang, kasi di ba, nagbabakbak. So, parang nilinisan siya ng may-ari ba. So, wala na yung dito na, nakalagay dito na Salvatore Ferragamo. But, binili ko pa rin siya, kasi, I think it's super cute. Tingnan niyo, ito ang kanyang, Dada, ito ang kanyang palak dyan, effect. Super cute. Uy, tingnan niyo, may Ferragamo din na nakalagay. Ganda nito. So, this is just a mini bag. Ayan. Uy, what's wrong, ate? Oh, your kiss, ate Paris. No. She's crying. Oh, diba? Sobrang cute. Even if wala na yung sa loob niya, I think mabibenta ko pa rin to siya, guys. Kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa kanya. Tingnan niyo. Kung makikita niyo. Diba? Walang kagas-gas-gas-gas. Mas magas-gas pa ang aking mukha. The next one is Dion. Ayan. So, this one, ano siya? Charm. Bag charm. Brand new. Rank A. What's next? We got another Louis Vuitton. It's the charm. Oh, this one, alam niyo guys, this one, sobrang kakaiba. I've never seen one like this before. Hala, sobrang good niya guys, grabe. Tingnan niyo. Bag charm. Ay, apakamahal nito. Bagay lang din naman sa kanya yung kanyang presyo guys, kasi napaka-cute. Napaka-cute. Guys. Ganda naman ito eh. Mine ko na. Hindi na pang ano ni Mami. Hindi na benta. Mine na. Meron pa siyang ano. Meron siyang... Ha? What's it? Who?
She said someone smacked her at the top.
Oh yeah, it's the boy. I think he's got autism or something. I think he's got autism. Hala, bakit hindi ko na maipasok ngayon? Next one. Oh yeah, this one. Ito yung kapalit kasi last na order ko yung Fendi na mirror. Sira siya guys. So ayan, pinalitan. Givenchy naman ito siya. Careful na daw anak, it's very easy. It's very easy to break this one, anak. What's inside this one? Oh yeah. Careful daw anak ha. Don't show to Celine. She'll break it. So this, we've got accessory guys. This is from Swarovski. This is cross. Hindi siya mag-focus. You can have it, anak. No problem. Sobrang cute. Ganda ng kanyang lock. So this one is Swarovski guys. Hindi to siya real gold, but alam niyo naman sa mga nakakaalam ng Swarovski. Another Swarovski. Ayan, ito siya merong box. Yung isa wala. But this one is also, it's also a chain. Akala ko, ano yun siya? Bracelet. Sobrang ganda oh. Hello, may bato pala itong wala. Isa ay meron. Ayan, dun pala. Play! Sobrang cute. Mahal din yung mga Swarovski. And then, I got this one. It's the Prada Kanapa sling strap niya. Pero yung bag niya, naiwan pa guys kasi nahuli ba? So, ito ang kanyang sling. Cute. Hala talagang hindi na ito ibibenta. Mine na talaga ito. Actually, dumating na yung bag. Mama!
Mama! Mama!
What else? Ano pong meron, be? Oh, Prada. This one is a...
Thank you.
Parang card holder lang siya, guys. Yan. Hindi nakagandahan ang kanyang kondisyon. Marami na siyang mga, Tapos medyo, ano na rin yung kanya dito. Pero cute siya, ha? Thank Mama! So, there's... Nako, hair accessories na. May pa-freebie. Lang! Another one for you. Ito talaga ang aking hinintay. This is, I think this is mine. Pink Balenciaga. Ayan. Hinintay ko talaga ito siya. Super cute naman ito. Ay. This compact wallet. Alam ko, ang talagang aking mga binili ay mahirapan akong i-let go. Ang so cute! And then, last one in this box. Sobrang daming laman ng box ito, ha? Sobrang liit ng box. So, daming laman. Last one is also agenda cover from Gucci. Tadi, pamain. Mine. Meron pa siyang papel na kasama. So, unisex to siya. Pwede to siya pang girl or pang boy. Girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang condition, guys. Like, SA. Walang ka hairline, oh. Diba? Ganda pa niya. So, yun na yun. Ang dami natin yung mga napamili. So, let's start the posting para may benta tayo, ha? Kaya ang ating pera naubos na kapital. Anyways, that's about it, guys. Hindi na, i-end ko na yung vlog dito kasi sobrang haba na. And we will eat our dinner soon. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
Lane.
And if you can.
Now.
Careful.
Be careful.
Bye, guys. Now. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye, Lene.
Bye, Gucci, Fendi, Swarovski.
Bye-bye. Say bye, guys. What's wrong? Love you. Bye.